Okay, so let's talk about YouTube. I don't know why I choose to sleep on the platform. I don't know why I choose to sleep on the platform. I have been watching different creators' videos, people that I have been following since the beginning, like maybe 2 years ago, that have absolutely dominated in the YouTube space. Perfect examples, I'm about to name drop. Catherine Manning, I absolutely love her and her channel. I remember when she was at the beginning stages, when she first got monetized, and to see where she is now is just absolutely amazing. And then I follow Jay Beeson. She is also really wonderful in the space. She just started in the space a couple of years ago, and now her channel is doing amazing. Her business is doing amazing. And so I can't help but ask myself, I started my first channel, I want to say in 2012, and I never, no matter how many channels I started, I never took it seriously. Like I never went all in and was like, I'm just really gonna make this happen. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna stick to it. And now I'm feeling like, why am I letting this opportunity pass me? Because no matter what, YouTube always draws me back. No matter what business I start, no matter what journey I'm on, I'm always kind of pulled back to YouTube. So I have this channel and I'm seeing the opportunities, people getting paid for speaking engagements, people getting sponsorships, people getting, money for affiliate links and just things that they already just automatically name drop in their content off the gate. And as a business owner, especially if you are in a coaching space, if you're in the industry of selling your knowledge or teaching someone how to do something, or even if you're just motivational and you're just trying to impact people through your message, YouTube is this is where you need to be at. This is what you need to be doing, okay? Because it can be so hard to grow your business, just from social media. There's so many different platforms. There's so many different strategies. There's so many different people that are, telling you to do all these different things. But when you stay consistent on YouTube and you continuously get better and better and better, and your content gets better and better and better, it only takes one video for your channel to take off and help you start getting all of these opportunities that are paid. And then if you want to launch a membership, if you want to launch a coaching program, if you want to launch a digital product, instead of you launching a digital product, for example, to 10 people or even to 100 people, if that video takes off and you plug that digital product and it just so happened to get 30,000 views, how many people are going to buy that digital product like this because it is getting exposed in an organic manner on YouTube? You didn't have to pay for ads in order to get that exposure. You didn't have to dance on TikTok to try to swindle your way into talking about a digital product later. You literally can provide value on the platform, say, hey, if you want more information like this, or if you need extra help with this, click the link in my description box and purchase my program, purchase my digital product, purchase my membership. And people will be purchasing that way after you've created the content, because it's an evergreen platform. It's an evergreen platform, so that means that it's on there as long as you leave it on there. You can get new followers or new subscribers. You can build your community. You can get new sales years later for the same piece of content that you created years ago. That's the power of YouTube. And so I wanted to talk about it today because it's the beginning of the year, and I promised myself, I already talked to my fiance, I said, I am going all in on YouTube. So you're going to notice on this channel that a lot of content is going to be posted within this month, within next month, because I am going to try to get that snowball effect of once you get that ball rolling, it gets bigger and better, and eventually it's just going to take off on its own. You're not going to need to push it any further. And so I really want to spend my time on YouTube a little bit more than what I was doing before, and just really go all in. And I even committed so much to the point where I put my podcast on hold. For those that are not aware, I have a podcast. It's called the First Year Business Podcast. I'll link it. It should be linked in the description. But I put that podcast on hold because I wanted to make sure that I was able to give all of my time towards creating video content, editing content, getting the content up, And so I didn't want to stretch myself super thin. And I plan on starting a new season with my podcast when I come back. So that's how invested I am with this. So I'm curious to see what my journey is going to look like on here. As of right now, I want to say I have 91 subscribers at the time of creating this video. So my channel is still fairly new. It's still fairly new, and I want to document this journey. I have no idea what my journey is going to look like. I don't know what my success story is going to look like on YouTube, but I want to make sure that I am documenting the beginning stages, because that is one thing that I love about Catherine Manning's YouTube channel. I feel like I was there to see her success, and so that's why I value her as a person and her content a lot more, because she was like the underdog that came up as well. You know, there's all these people that have already made it on YouTube, but when you see someone that maybe has 500 subscribers at the time when you find them, or maybe 1,000, because I don't remember what her subscriber count was when I found her, but it was like in the lower end, and now she has, I want to say, almost 500,000 subscribers, or over 500,000 in the span of a couple of years. That is unbelievable. And it's so inspirational to be able to see someone do it. And she documented her journey. She documented when she got monetized, when she hit 1,000 subscribers, when she hit 10,000 subscribers. And she took us along that journey. And so I want to take you guys along my journey as well. I don't know what that's going to look like. I'm still in the back end trying to figure out how I am going to create specific content to document my journey. So that's why I'm telling you guys right now, at the time of recording this, I'm not monetized yet. I have 91 subscribers, and my average view count right now on my page is around 30 views per video. Okay? And I'm saying this because when I make it, because I'm declaring that I'm going to make it, whenever I make it, this video is going to have more views. And I want you to know how many views it had when I first started. So that way that you can also be a part of my journey and experience as well. This is by far the best organic platform that pays you really well. There are so many creators that are making $8,000 to $10,000 per month just in ad revenue. That's not including sponsorships, that's not including affiliate links, that's not including any of that stuff, just in ad revenue. And that's kind of like on the low end, because I've seen videos where they're making, like, if you think about the Mr. Beast of YouTube, they're making a lot of money from YouTube. But I'm not even talking about that. I'm talking about from a business owner perspective. If you are in the business of teaching, serving your audience, trying to inspire or impact people, if you are in the business of selling digital products, coaching programs, or anything like that, I would highly suggest you stop sleeping on YouTube. Stop worrying about spreading yourself thin over all of these different platforms and focus on one. YouTube is going to be the one that is going to reap you the best results. I don't want to say the fastest, because everybody's journey is different, but it only takes one video to take you off. So that's why I feel that if you're going to pursue any platform, YouTube is going to be the best bang for your buck, because once you start getting that ball rolling, all the opportunities will start coming to you. They will start coming to you, and you don't have to go out as hard on these other platforms in order to get these same types of opportunities. So that's my little piece. It's gonna be a short and sweet video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you are with me for the ride. If you are one of my MVPs, definitely drop a comment below with the comment MVP or whatever you wanna leave for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.